Hey guys, to add SSH key to GitHub, click on the settings and then click on this item and then click on the new SSH key button. To fill these items, please open this URL which you can find in the description below. We can use this document for Mac, Windows and Linux. Scroll down. We should open a terminal and copy this command and paste it to terminal. Add your GitHub email at the end, hit enter. I don't need a password, so hit enter again, and the SSH key is generated. After it, we need to run another command. To find it, copy this command and paste it here, hit enter. After it, we need to open the SSH folder by this command. We have to copy this, hit enter, open folder, and we should open the config file by an editor like VS Code. Pretty nice. And copy this text and paste it here. Save and close. Pretty nice. We should run the last command. Copy this, and we should change the -- Apple use keychain option to the uppercase K and hit enter, and the result should be like this. Pretty nice. Open the GitHub account, type a title, and for the key, open the SSH folder again and open this file, copy all content, and paste it here and click this button. And then we see a new section here. Let's go to the repo page, click new button, type a name, for example test, and click create repository button. Copy this URL back to the terminal. I want to go to the download folder and type git clone, then press Command V to paste the URL, hit enter, type yes, hit enter. Pretty nice. It's cloned successfully. Have a good time.